This thing's running off the power of the sun. No power from the power company.
Another customer sounds excited, as they should be. Our SunRay hybrid solar pump will filter your water for free all day long from the sun because it runs in the morning and right into the night. Cloudy days or not, your swimming pool will use less chemicals due to strong circulation and filtration all day long, free from the sun. Richard, who made the change to our solar pump, had this to say.
This is the only way to go. You gotta be fool not to do this.
Pretty quiet too, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, a lot quieter. And how much I was spending just on the pump alone.
Yeah.
I gotta figure out.
That sticks with you.
$100 a month. $100 a month.
So you come out and admire the pool a lot more having it off the grid and being solar powered.
Every day. I do.
With an average return on investment of just 2 years and a 30% federal tax credit, our SunRay hybrid DC solar pumps are not only sustainable, but also pay for themselves very quickly. So if you're excited as we are, take action now. Please call your friends and family, spread the word to anyone who owns a swimming pool or cares about the planet. It's more urgent now than ever that together we make every swimming pool sustainable and off the grid. At Natural Current, together we make the difference that literally affects tomorrow.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that elevator logo, just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, oh I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we here chillin', chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna